Good morning, friends. Very good morning. Yes, very good morning, all of you guys. Good morning, dear. मैं एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम नाइस. टेल मी हाउ आर यू गाइस? एकदम नाइस. टेल मी हाउ आर यू गाइस? Okay, fine guys. So yes मोहम्मद, don't take any tensions. जो मेरे पिछले सेशन से आप देख लो, ये चौथा सेशन है और डेप्रिसिएशन आज हम खत्म करने वाले हैं एंड हम शुरू करेंगे नया चैप्टर इन्वेंटरीज. सो मोहम्मद डोंट वरी, आप पिछले सेशन देख लो, 100% कोई इश्यू नहीं आएगा और फिर भी आए तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. लेकिन आज जो हम खत्म करने वाले हैं इलेक्शन नंबर 8 मॉड्यूल का, जो हमने पूरा नहीं किया था. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ बिट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, दैट इज इलेक्शन नंबर 8 of study module. So perhaps you will not able to get it, but after that question number 8, we will complete a small point of depreciation, last point, revaluation and revision, that you will be able to understand because it is not that much difficult. Okay. Same to you, Shubham. Okay guys, so without wasting time, let's conclude with our illustration number 8. Okay guys, so let's first of all once again read or revise the question. So friend, just for your small revision, this is what we were doing, right? This is what we were doing. एक बार question read कर लो friend. Very important method of provision of depreciation that we are doing. Please read once again, then we will start it. Okay guys, so if you recall, we learned that this is a method of provision of depreciation. This is what we are doing guys, right? This is what we are doing, and we understood that when provision of depreciation method is asked, we have prepared two ledgers. First is a fixed asset, second is a provision of depreciation. And how it is prepared, okay, I have shared the concept. I am repeating once again guys. Okay, just a moment. Yes guys, right? Provision of depre method, the important features is, first we need to prepare two ledgers, First is a fixed asset. Second is a provision of depreciation. What is the feature? The fixed asset is always shown at the original cost, and depreciation will be credited not in FA account, but it will be credited in a provision of depreciation account. So guys, accept this method, our rule is damn easy, damn clear. So debit side, we will write purchase of asset or a opening balance of asset. Credit side, we will write depreciation and closing balance, right? If we purchase the asset, we will put on debit side of asset account. If we sell the asset, we'll put on the credit side of asset account. This was our routine, correct, logical, feasible, and routine principle. But in this method, rule says that no, depreciation will not be credited in FA account, but it should be separately recorded in a separate account that is called provision of depreciation. And therefore, we learn one more point, and therefore asset account will remain same unless and until new asset purchase or sale. So your asset account will remain same, means it will be shown as a original cost. Whatever purchase you are making in an asset account, it will be shown at original cost, and credit side no depreciation. So this asset account in this method always at original purchase cost, not after depreciation, because depreciation is separately credited in a provision of depreciation account. This is a basic what we understood. And then if you recall guys, we did a small question of this, right, in which we understood that asset account will remain same. 10,000 asset purchase, it will remain same because no depreciation, okay, and depreciation will be separately credited, okay. 1,000 depreciation, 1,000 closing, 1,000 opening, plus second year 1,000, so 2,000 closing plus 1,000, so 3,000 is opening. So depreciation will be created in this ledger. So first year 1,000, second year one more 1,000, so 2,000, third year one more 1,000, so 3,000. So asset account will be shown at original cost, but POD account will be increasing every year, and this is the very important point when asset is sold out, guys. See, when you sell the asset, logically asset account should be reversed by sale of asset, and POD account also reversed by the sale of asset. Now, which amount we should reverse? Right? Then, when asset is sold, original cost will be created in fixed asset account. Got it, guys? Why original cost? Because fixed asset account is maintained at original cost. Fixed asset account is maintained at original cost. So when you will sell the asset, guys, this account will be credited with original cost, and your POD account also reverse, but with which amount? With accumulated depreciation. That is total depreciation up to the date of sale. Total depreciation up to the date of sale. Will be reverse. Okay, guys. So this is what basic we understood. And then we have started a very good question, that is illustration number 8. And deliberately, I have not completed this question. Deliberately, I have not completed this question because I want to complete it in a fresh mood of a fresh morning. So 80% has been concluded, but the important 20% is yet to be complete. Yet to be complete. Today, in next 10 minutes, we will conclude it completely. So please concentrate properly, guys. Please concentrate properly. Okay, guys. Fine. Okay. Okay. First of all, let's read question again. Okay. Let's read question once again. So guys, on April 1, purchase of 12 lakh rupees. On April 1, purchase of 12 lakh rupees asset. On 1/4/18, October 1, 2020, some part of machinery having a cost of 80,000 is sold for 45,000. Okay. So 1/4/18 we purchase, but asset is sold almost after 2 years. You can refer the dates, guys. The asset is sold almost after 2 years. So 1/4/18 is a date of purchase and 2 years will be passed, and then asset is sold out. So logically, we have to provide 2 years depreciation, right? And it's a March ending, guys. Okay, it's a March ending. So 1/4/18, if you purchase the asset, 1/4/18, if you purchase the asset, then after 1/4/18, the first March is which one? After 1/4/18, the first March is 31st March 19. 31st March 19, first year. Okay, after 31st March 19, which will be second year? 31st March 20. Okay, and after 31st March 20, the date of sale, that is 1st October, after 6 months. Dates are clear, guys. 1/4/18 you purchase the asset, it's a March ending. So after 1/4/18, the first March ending is 31st March 19. Second is 31st March 20. And after 6 months, because you are selling the asset as on 1 October 20. So after 31st March 20, after 6 months, you are selling assets. So can you understand very easily, sir, I have to provide 2 years plus half year. So I have to provide depreciation of 2.5 years. I have to provide depreciation of 2 full year and 1 half year. 2 full year and 1 half year. Okay. Now the method is provision of depreciation, which says that, sir, we will prepare 2 accounts, asset account and POD account. In asset account, we will write purchase and sale of assets. And in POD account, we will write only depreciation, only depreciation, only depreciation. And because, guys, you are selling asset on 1st October 20, you are selling the asset on 1st October 20. So 1/4/18 to 1st October 20, 1/4/18 to 1st October 20, asset account will remain same. From 1/4/18 to 1st October 20, asset account will remain same at 12 lakh rupees. At 12 lakh rupees, because asset account remains same at the original cost, because we are not crediting depreciation in asset account, but we are crediting depreciation in a POD account. So from 1/4/18 to 1st October 20, asset account will remain same as 12 lakh. Will remain same as 12 lakh. Will remain same as 12 lakh. Like this. Like this, friend. So guys, this is the first important point which we have already understood in last session, because we have completed question till this point. Is this clear, friend? Till this point it is clear, right? Can we go further, friends? Yes guys, simple till this point. Yes, yes guys, be fast. I need answer from everyone, guys, then it will be fruitful. Okay, fine. That's a good spirit. Very good, guys. Srinidhi, it is a method. It's a ICI method that asset account will differ and POD will be differ. It's a method. No reason, method. अर्शदीप, accumulated depri मतलब total depri up to date of sale. Total depri up to date of sale, right? Okay, guys. Now let's move to next point. Okay. Now, friend, from 1/4/18 to 31st March 20, we are not selling asset. So we can simply say these are 2 years, guys, right? 1/4/18 to 31st March 20, there are 2 years, right? So 2 years depreciation will be credited in POD account. 2 years depreciation will be credited in POD account. First year plus second year. First year plus second year. Okay, first year plus second year. And guys, if you see the question, friend, if you see the question, my method is 10% WDV, guys. My method is 10% WDV. My method is 12. My method is 10% WDV. 10% WDV. So first year, DAPRI will be on this 12 lakh, that is 120, guys. Simple. First year, DAPRI will be on this 12 lakh, that is 120. That is 120. Okay. Second year, because it is WDV. Second year, because it is WDV, I have to provide DAPRI not on 12 lakh, but 12 lakh minus first year DAPRI, that is 120. So 10 lakh 80,000. So second year DAPRI will be 1 lakh 80,000, guys. 1 lakh 8,000. So first year DAPRI will be on 12 lakh. 10% 120. Second year DAPRI will be on 12 lakh minus 120, that is 10 lakh 80,000 into 10%, that is 1 lakh 8,000. It will be like this, guys. So 2 year depreciation. 2 year depreciation, guys. 2 year depreciation. 2 year depreciation will be 2,28,000. Will be 2,28,000 like this. So till this point clear, friend? Till this. Yes, guys. Yes guys, first year depre 120, second depre 108, so total depre till the 2 year will be 2,28,000. 120 plus 108, 228 guys. I hope till this point it is clear. Till this point it is clear guys. Okay, till this point it is clear. Yes guys, till this point it is clear guys. Now we are switching over to the interesting point of sale of asset. Interesting point of sale of asset. Yes, when we are selling the asset, when we are selling the asset, listen carefully, listen carefully, listen carefully, friend, listen. When we are selling the asset, when we are selling the asset, two effect will be there. First, sale of asset will be reverse in asset account as well as reverse in POD account. Both the accounts it will be on reverse side because we are selling, because we are selling, because we are selling now. But sir, fixed asset account, but sir, fixed asset account, but sir, fixed asset account is maintained at original cost, sir. Fixed asset account is maintained at original cost, sir. And therefore, when I will sell the asset, I have to reverse original cost of asset which is sold. I have to reverse original cost of asset which is sold. I have to reverse original cost of asset which is sold. And therefore, friend, if you see the question, guys, if you see the question on 1st October 20, on 1st October 20, on 1st October 20, guys, on 1st October 20, part of machinery purchased on 1st April 18, date of purchase for rupees 80,000. So you can understand this 80,000 is a cost as on date of purchase. This 80,000 is a cost as on date of purchase as on 1/4/18. So 80,000 is a original cost. 80,000 is a original cost. Therefore, in fixed asset account, we have to reverse 80,000 because 80,000 is the original cost and asset account is maintained at original cost, that is 12 lakh. And therefore, friend, here I have reverse. Here I have reverse 80,000. Original cost of asset sold out. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, friends? We need to conclude this question now fast. Kushdeep, it is a WDV method. In WDV method, how you will calculate depre? Purchase minus depre. So whatever closing balance, you will calculate depre on closing balance. And after first depre, the closing balance is 10,80,000. I have written everything in my last PPT. Okay, it will be on screen once again. Lakshita, I am ready. I am here only for that, Lakshita. Okay, guys. Machine disposal is a new account what we are preparing. We are preparing. Okay. So sale of asset will be transferred to machine disposal. Don't worry. It's a account, small account prepared to find out profit and loss. Aega. I will cover. Don't worry. Okay. Now friend. So 80,000 original cost reverse in the asset account. Reverse in a asset account. Now, what rule says? What rule says? So rule says that when you sell the asset, When you sell the asset, here, guys, here, please, here, guys, please, here, okay, yeah. When you sell the asset, original cost should be given as asset account and accumulated depreciation. That is total depreciation up to the date of sale. Total depreciation up to the date of sale. Somebody asked me, sir, what is accumulated debris? बेटा यहां लिखा हुआ है, पिछले लेक्चर से लिखा हुआ है, ओके, पिछले लेक्चर से बेटा यहां लिखा हुआ है. अगर आपने प्रॉपर स्क्रीनशॉट लिया है तो इसी में लिखा हुआ है डियर, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है. सो दिस इज टोटल डेप्रिसिएशन अप टू द डेट ऑफ सेल. सो नाउ फ्रेंड, simple guys, now sir, I have to find out. Now see very carefully guys, I have to find out total depreciation of this 80,000 up to the date of sale. Total depreciation guys, this is, I have provided 2 years depreciation. First year depre is 120, second year depre is 1,08,000. Okay, fine. So from this 12 lakh, remember guys, from this 12 lakh, I am selling only 80,000. So I have to understand how much depreciation. See, if my first year depre is 120, then how much depreciation of this 80,000 in this 120? My second year full depre is 1,08,000. So how much depre of this 80,000 in this 1,08,000? So I have to prepare a small working note. Understand that what is the total depreciation of this 80,000 up to the date of sale. And for this, we prepare this small notes. Okay, my purchase date is 1/4/18, friends. See, my date of sale is 1/10/20. Okay, guys, remember this date very carefully, friend. Okay, right, friend? So my date of purchase is 1/4/18. My date of sale is 1/10/20. So sir, I have to provide depreciation for 2.5 years. I have to provide depreciation for 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Okay. First year debris on this 80,000, 10%, 8,000. So 80,000 minus 8,000, my closing balance of this is 72,000. My method is WDV. So second year debris will be on this 72,000. On this 72,000, that is 7200. So my closing balance will be 64,800. And I am selling asset on 1/10/20. So on this 64,800, I have to provide debris for only 6 months. 2 full year, guys. 2 full year. And here 6 months. 2 full year. And this is 6 months. So 6 month debris will be 3240. So 8,000 plus 7,200 plus 3240. So my total depreciation is 1,8440. 8,000 plus 7,200 plus 3,250. So my total depreciation, up to the date of sale is 1,8440. Up to the date of sale is 1,8440. And guys, if I minus from this 80,000, 1,8440, so my closing balance is 61,560, which I am selling in 45,000. So my loss is 16,560. So guys, I hope now this working note is clear. Now it is clear, guys. It is the only working note to find out profit and loss on sale of asset of 80,000. Is it clear, guys? This table is clear. Can we go further, friends? क्या बात है. Some students have written very clearly, very nice. So I hope now this table is clear, guys. Thank you, Varda Fatima. Thank you. Thank you, Zeva. Thank you, Arshita. Thank you, Rani. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Lisa. Clear, guys? I hope now it is clear, friends. Thank you, Sakshi. Anishtha, I have written. It is a closing balance, dear. क्या लिखा है 6150 का आगे क्या लिखा है CLO लिखा है ना डियर इट इज अ क्लोजिंग बैलेंस एज ऑन डेट ऑफ सेल थैंक यू शिवाश्री okay guys let's move further thank you Saurabh thank you Tamanna थैंक यू गाइस चलो अब खत्म कर दे हाँ थैंक यू एकता नाम ले लिया आप फेमस हो गए अब फटाफट आगे बढ़ते हैं ओके now see what we learned. Okay, sir, this is total depreciation will be reverse, will be reverse, will be reverse in POD, will be reverse in POD. So see, I have reverse on 11020. This 18440 will be reverse in POD. Will be reverse in POD. Will be reverse in POD. Right, guys? Then, guys, now the important point. See, reverse होके ये कहां पर गया बेटा? Okay, किधर गया ये? It is transferred to machine disposal, right? It is transferred to machine disposal. Where we transferred it? This machine disposal. Machine disposal. So 80,000 transferred to machine disposal. Depre also transferred to machine disposal. Why machine disposal? Because we want to find out profit and loss. Okay. So I can prepare now machine disposal account, guys. Okay. पहले इनका पोस्टिंग करते हैं. Okay. So यहाँ credit, guys. So this 80,000 will be debited in machine disposal. Simple, guys. This 80 will be debited in machine disposal. Simple. यहाँ credit तो वहाँ debit. Okay. Right. Right, guys. 1 by 10 by 20 to fixed asset account, right? 80. Okay. This is also from POD. From POD we reverse in machine disposal account. So यहाँ debit, guys. यहाँ debit तो वहाँ credit. Simple. By provision of depreciation account 18440. 18440. Okay, now what bank we realize? If you see the question, friend. Okay, we sold in 45,000, right? We sold in 45,000. Right? We sold in 45,000. So I would say bank realized 45,000. Bank realize 45,000. It will be also part of machine disposal account. Bank realize. Buy bank 45,000. So remaining will be profit and loss, guys. Remaining will be profit and loss. Yes. Remaining will be profit and loss, and we have already calculated this. We already calculated this 16560. 16560. Working note we have already calculated. In working note we have already calculated. Here. See, here we have calculated. Losses 16560. We have already calculated. The same thing here, guys. Same thing here. By PL account. So this account is tally, guys. So this account is tally. I hope now it is clear, friend, how we need to prepare machine disposal. It is nothing but ये जो हमने नोट लिखा था फ्रेंड, नोट का ही अकाउंट है. I hope now it is clear. Then guys, thank you Prasad, thank you. Mahin, I hope now it is clear. Loss will be debit to the PL account. Okay. Sakshi, I hope now it is clear. Mahin, I hope now it is clear. Right? And this is nothing but table format of this. This is nothing but table format of this. This is nothing but table format of this. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we need to go further, friend. We need to complete also. Okay, guys. We need to now further. Okay. Now on the same date, they are purchasing one asset. On the same date, they are purchasing one asset. They are purchasing one asset. Okay. If you see the question, guys, if you see the question, they are purchasing a second asset on the same date of rupees. Let's read the question so that it will be more clear, friend. Okay. Fine. At a cost of 1,58,000, right? The new machine is purchased at a cost of 1,58,000. So when we purchase the asset, we have to debit in our asset account, right? When we purchase the asset, we have to debit in our asset account. Simple. Here, guys. Here. $1,58,000. New asset purchase 1,58,000. Right, guys? And guys, now it's a last year, so we have to conclude. This is last year, so we have to conclude, guys. Okay, 31st March 21, closing balance. So if you make the total, guys, here it will be 13,58,000. 13,58,000 minus you sold one asset, 80,000. So it is 1278. It is 1278. Simple, guys. I hope this is clear. This is clear, right, friends? 1278. Done, guys. And now let's conclude the last and important point of provision of depreciation, how we should close it. How we should close it. Okay. Now, friends, the first of all, here, see very carefully, guys. Here, we reverse the depreciation. So, as we discussed, first of all, by depreciation 3240, that is of 6 months. 6 months. Okay. This one, current year 6 months. This depreciation we have to provide and then we will reverse. Right? We have to provide and then we will reverse. So first we have provide now and then we reverse. Okay. So first provide depreciation of 6 months and then all depre will be reverse. So in this 18440 it is included, right? Okay. After this, now very important, friend, very important, by depreciation. Okay, by depreciation. Now, first depre will be what? First depre will be of what? It will be of remaining part of asset number 1. Remaining part of asset number 1. Okay. And second depre will be of asset number 2. Now guys, here asset number 2 is purchased on 1,58,000 on 11002. Simple. So first let me know guys, this asset purchase as on 11020, as on 11020, as on 11020, right? And we have to provide depreciation on 31st March 21, our closing date. Okay, we purchased the asset. We purchased the asset on 11020 and our closing date is 31st 3/21. So can you tell me guys on this how much depre we need to prepare? On this, how much depre we need to prepare? How much depre we need to calculate? Yes guys. It is purchased on 11020. Date of depre 31st 3/21. So on this one, how much depre we should prepare? Provide. Simple, very simple. Tell me guys. Tell me guys. Perfect guys. 7900. It is not 3 months. Yeah, it's a March ending. It's a 6 months. Yes guys, you are correct. You are absolutely correct. Perfect. Perfect guys. It is 7900. Perfect. It is 7900. Perfect. And now guys, the last point and very important point, what will be depreciation of the remaining part of assets which is not sold? Remaining part of asset which is not sold. Remaining part of asset which is not sold. Very interesting, very lovely point guys. Okay, now guys, let's calculate this. Let's calculate this. Okay, now friend, this is a calculation of this 80,000. What we have sold it. What we have sold it, right? 80,000 what we have sold it. Now we want to calculate what will be depre of remaining part, guys, remaining part. So tell me guys, first of all, how much remaining? How much remaining guys? Yes, guys. Tell me how much remaining part. So I can say 12 lakh minus 80,000. That is 1120, guys. Right? 1120. Remaining part is 1120. Is it clear first of all, guys? Remaining part is 1120. Yes, 1120. Perfect. क्या बात है? Perfect, 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 absolutely perfect. Now, friend, now I need Depre. Okay, we want to calculate depreciation on this for the year ending 31st March 21. Right, guys? We want to calculate depre on this as on 31st March 21. Right? So I can say it's a full year. This is also full year. And what is our shortcut, guys? And what is our shortcut? What is our shortcut? Sir, minus 10 percentage, minus 10 percentage, right? So this is closing balance as on 31st 3/20. That is opening balance as on 1/4/20. 1120 minus 2 times 10 percentage, right? And now this is third year, guys. So this rent depre will be 90720. Yes, guys. 90720. 90720. 90720. So here depre will be 90720. 90720. And then there will be closing balance. And then there will be closing balance, guys. So Here total will be 329,860. 329,860. And from this is minus 18440. So closing balance will be 311,240. It's a closing balance. So guys, this is the opening balance. Okay. So this is complete. So guys, this sum is already in your ICI book. Okay. The figures are same, just working notes and calculations is what we are discussing. Rafika, there is no difference. There is no difference at all. Okay, there is no difference, dear. You can cross verify, no difference. Bala Sanjay Lakshmi, 1120. You do the calculator. You write on calculator 11,20,000. Bala Sanjay Lakshmi. Okay. You write on calculator 11,20,000. Then minus 10 percentage, minus 10 percentage. Two times 1120 minus 10 percentage, minus 10%. So you will get this opening balance 907,200. And then into 10 percentage because we need full year depreciation. So 11,20,000 minus 10 percentage minus 10 percentage. So you will get the opening balance of 1st April 20. And on this into 10 percentage, that is 90720 because it is a WDV. I hope now it is clear. Okay, guys. So this is over and out. Then guys, okay, fine. And now we are switching over to the last point. Somebody was asking about this working note, so I have put on the screen. Okay guys, without wasting time, let's move to the last point. The last point of this is revision and revaluation. Revision and revaluation. So guys, we are talking about this point now, the last point. Revision and uske baad revaluation and revaluation. Revision and revaluation. So first of all guys, इसके जो questions है, we will do 3 or 4 small questions. I have today morning uploaded on the ICI BOS app. So we will do 4 questions and I have uploaded the question today around 10:30 on the BOS app. So you can download guys. Okay. Now what is this? Guys, this is change in estimate. Revision of the estimated useful life of property. So, when we purchase the asset, we assume that, okay, this asset will run for 10 years. Asset will run for 10 years. But after, say, for example, 6 years, after 6 years, we realize that, no. This asset has now remaining life is 4 years. 10-year original estimate, 6 years passed. So now the remaining life is 4 years. But on the basis of the condition of the asset, we realize that, sir, I think now it will not run for 4 years, but it will run only 3 years or 5 years. So we are revising, we are changing estimated useful life of property. Else we are changing value. Value means revalue. Say for example, guys, listen carefully, friends. Listen carefully. I purchase asset of rupees 1 lakh. I estimate useful life 10 years. So per year, I need to provide depre of 10,000. 6 years already passed. So 10,000 into 6 is 60,000 depreciation already provided. 6 years total depre is 60,000 already provided. So my closing balance as on this date after 6 years, my closing balance is 1 lakh minus 60,000, that is 40,000. 1 lakh minus 60,000, that is 40,000. My closing balance is 40,000. But now I revalue my closing balance from the condition of the asset and overall condition. I think that no, sir, this 40,000 is my book value, is my book value. 1 lakh minus 60,000, 40,000 is my book value. But sir, from the condition and various condition, I understand that the value should not be 40,000 in my book. The correct value should be either 50 or a 30. So I am revaluing my closing balance either upward or downward. And therefore, naturally, my depreciation from the 7th year will be changed. My depreciation from the 7th year will be changed. My depre from 7th year, the date on which I am revalue will change. And ICI ask, tell me what will be the new depre after revision in number of years or after revaluation or after both of this are applicable, what will be the new depre, revised depre, naya wala depre ढूंढ के बताओ. And this is point called revaluation of the value and revision in the number of years of useful life of asset. And guys, why we need to revalue? Because this was estimated as on date of purchase. After 6-7 years, we need to be practical. We need to understand, okay, after 6 years, I think my estimate was wrong. I need to rectify my estimate. Therefore, my depre will change. And such type of question has been asked. Yes, guys. And how it is calculated, what is to be done, the small points are there that we are concluding now. Yes, guys. Revision and revaluation. Please read it. What we have discussed, it is written over here. Lakshita, because it was 2 year depreciation. आप डेट तो देखो डियर, आप डेट देखते ही नहीं हो. 1418 से 1420 कितने साल होते हैं? तो मैं एक बार माइनस करूंगा कि 2 बार माइनस करूंगा डियर? एटलीस्ट डेट तो पढ़ो, सामने लिखा हुआ है 1418 से लेकर 1420, 2 साल का डेप्रे, तो आई हैव टू माइनस फॉर 2 times 10% डियर. Dates are written over here. Just refer dates. In depre, dates are extremely important. If you don't read the date, then it is fine. Depre is all about dates. If you don't read the dates, it will be never correct. Okay. Thank you, Keshav. Okay, Asga, we will do this. Don't worry. Yes, guys. So either we are changing N or we are changing balance or we are changing both. Okay, guys, and this is the calculation of depreciation. This is the calculation of depreciation. Now, guys, so first, find out depreciation by using straight line method. Now, friend, let me clear very well. Such type of question, by default, we have to assume straight line method. In such type of question, by default, assume straight line method. Okay. Okay. First, C plus E minus S upon N. So this is old depreciation. This is old depreciation. Okay. C plus E minus S upon N. What is C? Cost of asset. E, expenses, minus S, scrap, divided by N, number of years of life. C plus E minus S upon N is a depreciation, old depreciation. Now, second step, find out the closing balance as on date of revaluation. How we will find out closing balance? C plus E minus total depreciation till the date of revision. C plus E minus total depreciation till the date of revision. Till the date of revision. And what last? What is new value or what is new depre? What is new value or what is new depre? Okay. So above closing balance, this closing balance, guys. Above closing balance plus or minus amount of revaluation minus scrap. It's the same story. Here also we have minus scrap. Okay. Same scrap. Okay. Same scrap. This scrap. Okay. Minus scrap. Divided by remaining N. Naturally, remaining N. However, years are remaining, I have divided by remaining N. So this closing balance plus or minus amount of revaluation. Plus or minus amount of revaluation, which will be given in question. Which will be given in question. Minus S divided by remaining N, and this is new depreciation. And this is new depreciation. And this is new depreciation. Done, guys. And now let's start the question. It will clear more. Okay. So I have already given this question, guys. I have already upload this question. You can download the questions and we are starting the question, guys. Be fast. Read the question, guys. Then we'll do the answer step by step. Be fast. So now, guys, tell me, what is this 10-year? What is this 6,000? What is this nil? First, tell me this 3-year, this is 3 important points meaning. What is 10? What is 6? And what is nil? What is meaning of this thing? What is this 10? What is 6 lakh? And what is nil? What is this? Answer me, guys. Be fast. Be fast. Sir, 10 is number of year, life of asset. 6 lakh is cost of asset. And nil is a scrap value, S. So N is 10, C is 6, S is nil. S is nil. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Now, the estimated of remaining useful life after third year. After third year is reassessed at 5 years. So tell me, guys, when we are revaluing the asset, when we are re-estimate the asset, when we are revaluing or re-estimate the asset, when we are revaluing or re-estimate the asset, we are revaluing or re-estimating asset after 3 years. After 3 years. So revaluation is done after 3 years. Revision is done after 3 years. Re-estimate is done after 3 years. Okay, guys, what is our first step? What is our first step? Find out the depreciation, that is old depre. The formula is C plus E minus S upon N. Guys, apply this formula and tell me what is depre per annum. Apply this formula and tell me what is depre per annum. Be fast, guys. Be fast. Apply this formula and tell me what is depre per annum. Yes, guys. Apply the first step, C plus E minus S upon N, and tell me what is depreciation. First step, guys. First step, tell me. First step, tell me, guys. Ekta, revision is of number of years and revalue is the value of closing balance. Both are logically same, but in one we are changing number of year. In second we are changing value. Perfect, guys. Perfect. 60,000. 60,000. That's great, guys. Now no need of wait, like this. Yes, guys, like this. 60,000. Perfectly all right. Okay. What is second step, guys? Here. Find out the closing balance, friends. Second step, second step. Find out the closing balance as on date of revision or revaluation. कैसे ढूंढेंगे? C plus E minus total depre till the date of revision. Okay, so C plus E minus total depre of first 3 years. C plus E minus total depre of first 3 years. Minus total depre of first 3 years, guys. Tell me, what will be closing balance, friend? Yes, guys. C plus E minus total debris of first 3 years, guys. What will be closing balance? Shivasri, how it is 540. C plus E minus total debris of first 3 years. And method is SLM. Yes, remaining all are almost correct. What is closing balance, guys? What is closing balance? What is closing balance? C plus E minus total debris of first 3 years. How it is 520, Kirti? How it is 520? C plus E. It's a simple mathematics. C plus E minus debris of first year, minus debris of second year, minus debris of third year. How it is 520? I think it's a, I hope it is typing mistake. 570. No comments. Yeah. It is 4,20,000. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Like this, guys. Yes, guys. It is 420. Perfect. It's very simple, friend. It is 420. And now step number 3. Now step number 3. Okay. This is step number 3. New value and new debris. So above closing balance plus or minus revaluation, if any, minus S divided by remaining N. So guys, here, remember here, we are not changing value. So value will remain same. We are not changing value. Value will remain same. Only you have to decide after 3 years, how many years are remaining. After 3 years, how many years are remaining. Please do it, guys. Please do it. Yes, guys, what will be the depreciation? Remaining depreciation. What will be new debris? What will be new debris? We are not changing the value. We are only changing the useful life. Yes, guys. What will be new depreciation? It is 84,000. It is 84,000. Yes, guys. It is 84,000. सकलदीप यही तो सीखना है, यही तो कंसेप्ट है यार मोहम्मद, यही तो कंसेप्ट है कि 7 ईयर क्यों नहीं रहेंगे, 5 साल रहेंगे। यही तो कंसेप्ट सीखना है। ओके, इसलिए तो सब कर रहे हैं पूरा ईयर। Okay, guys. So it will be like this 84,000. Yes, it will be like 84,000. Yes, 84,000. Now, naturally, see this 420 we are not changing. It will remain same. It will remain same. Okay. How this 5 years? So it is already mentioned in question here. Already mentioned in question. The estimated of remaining useful life after 3 years is 5 years. और यही सीखना है कि सर it were 10 years, 3 years already passed, 10 years, 3 years already passed, 10 years, 3 years already passed. So 7 years should be remaining. 7 years should be remaining. 7 years should be remaining. But now, as per the new estimate, asset will not run for 7 years. It will run for only 5 years. So after 3 years, as per original estimate, 7 years was there. After 3 years, as per original estimate, 7 years should be there. But sir, now asset will not run for 7 years. It will run only for 5 years. And now if it is only run for 5 years, I cannot divide by 7 years. I should divide by 5 years. Now, understood friends, how it is 5 years? Correct. Can we go further, friend? Vagdevi, scrap is not given, so 0. And value only change. Year only change. Value is not change. In next question, I will change it. Just keep it up. I hope now it is clear. Okay, fine, guys. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. So guys, this you can understand this point. So for first 3 year, depre will be 60,000, right? For first 3 year, depre will be 60,000. And from 4th year to 8th year, because now asset will run only for 8 years. Okay. 3 years passed, 5 years remaining. 3 years passed, 5 years remaining. 3 years passed, 5 remaining. So from 4 to 8 year, depre will be 84,000. So remember this logic very clearly. Very clearly. So up to 3 years, depre is 60,000. From 4 to 8 year, from 4 to 8 year, from 4 to 8 year, it will be 84,000. Correct, guys? Clear? Right? Next question, guys. Now we are changing the value. Please read it, guys, and tell me what is C, what is S, what is E, what is N. C, E, S, N. Tell me what is C, E, S, N. What is C, E, S, N. Be fast, guys. Be fast and tell me what is C, E, S, N. Tell me, guys, in this question, what is CESN? Be fast, guys. Be fast. CESN. Be fast. So 12 lakh is a cost. 12 lakh is a cost. N is 10 and scrap is 0. S is 0. S is 0. E is 0. S0 E0. S0 E0. C 12 lakh and 10 year. Okay. When we are revaluing after 3 years. So first we have to find out old depreciation. Tell me, guys, what will be the old depreciation? Tell me, guys, what will be the old depreciation? What is depreciation, guys? Step number 1. What is depreciation? Kya baat hai? Very nice. No need to now wait, guys. This is the first step. This is the first step. C plus E minus S upon N. 120 per year. 120 per year. 120 per year. Okay. Now we are doing revaluation after 3 years. We are doing revaluation after 3 years. So we need to find out closing balance after 3 years. Okay, guys. Now, guys, step number 2. We need to find out closing balance after 3 years, guys. Closing balance after 3 years. Tell me. Be fast. What will be the closing balance after 3 years? What will be closing balance after 3 years? क्या बात है, very nice, very fast, great guys, very nice. It is 840, not 940. Like this, guys. It is 840, not 940, guys. Okay. And now new depreciation, guys. And now new depreciation. So above closing balance plus or minus amount of revaluation minus S divided by remaining N. So guys, here, guys, here. See. We are changing value, not N. We are changing value, not N. We are changing value, not N. Okay. So N is same as 10-year our own estimate. But we are increasing value by 60,000. We are increasing closing balance by 60,000, friends. So tell me, giving you last 1 minute, what will be the new depre? So remaining life as well as value, both will change, guys. Very simple. So value will change, life will change. What will be new depre, guys, now? What will be new depre, guys? Yes, here also change. You are right. Here also change. Here also change. Value also change. What will be new depre? What will be new depre, guys? Here also change. Value also change. Khushdeep, it is 60,000 into 3. Okay. It is 60 into 3. New depre will be 1 lakh. New depre will be 1 lakh like this. So 840 is my value. I have to increase by 60,000. So 9 lakh. No scrap, 0. Divide by 9. And here it is, 9 is given in question. So value will be increased by 60 and remaining life is 9. Remaining life is 9. Okay. So new depre will be 1 lakh. I hope now it is clear, guys. I hope now it is clear, guys. Many student has correct answer. 150 is the wrong answer. 90,000 is the wrong answer. It is 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. I hope it is clear, guys. Ekta, 9 year is not total year. 9 is a remaining year. Read the question at least properly. After 3 years, the useful life is reassessed 9 year. After 3 years, the useful life is reassessed 9 year. So 9 year is a remaining year, not total year. Total year was 10. At least read properly. Guys, if you don't read question properly, it is next to impossible to write correctly. The person who can't read, who can't interpret, cannot do the correct answer. That's why I always give you time to read the question. And I'm asking, tell me what is C, what is E. मुझे आता है, ओके, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन दिखाऊंगा, आंसर दिखाऊंगा, साथ साथ में करेंगे. बट उसकी वैल्यू नहीं है फ्रेंड. If I am showing you question and answer, I will do everything on board or on PPT, whatever. It's no meaning. Because if I explain you answer with question, you will understand. But if you read a question on your own, try to understand what is CESN, then you try formula, then I will show the answer, then you understand whether am I able to understand or not. That's why giving you time. Okay. So Asga, you have a same error. I explain it. Okay. And now this question, the last question, guys. Some student asking how it is 360 comes. अरे यार, इतना तो डियर थोड़ा अपने आप सोचा करो यार. डोंट बिहेव लाइक ए स्पून फीडिंग. ओके, इस स्पून फीडिंग नहीं हो सकता यार. आप इतना नहीं समझ सकते कि 120 1 साल का है तो 3 साल का 360 होगा. डू यू एक्सपेक्ट मैं आपको यहां भी ऐसे दिखाऊं 120, एक और 120, एक और 120. बोलो बेटा 3 120 कितना हुआ 360. ये लेवल सिखाएंगे फाउंडेशन में तो फिर आप खुद क्या करोगे यार. गाइस, थोड़ा अपने आप सोचो. पूरा स्पून फीडिंग पे डिपेंड मत रहो. एग्जाम हॉल में खो जाओगे. आता है मुझे ऐसा सिखाना, सिखा सकता हूं. देखो 120 पहला, 120 दूसरा, 120 तीसरा, कितना 360. ऐसा सिखाना आता है, लेकिन मतलब नहीं है दोस्त. मतलब नहीं है तो खुद कभी नहीं कर पाओगे. स्टिल सिखा दिया. 3 लोग पूछे थे तो 360 कहां से आया. मेरे भाई, मेरे दोस्त, मेरे बंधु, यहां से आया. ओके, आई होप नाउ 360 इज क्लियर. गाइस, बी ग्रोन अप. कुछ अपने हिसाब से करना पड़ेगा. डोंट डिपेंड एवरीथिंग ऑन फैकल्टी. एग्जाम हॉल में मिहिर पुजारा सर साथ में नहीं आएंगे, इच्छा होगी तो भी. खुद करना है. Okay. And last question, guys. Please read it and tell me CESN. Giving you only 10 seconds now. CESN. CESN. Be fast. CESN. Yes, guys. CESN. परफेक्ट. क्या बात है, क्या बात है सर. कॉस्ट इज 2 lakh, सी इज 2 lakh, ई इज 30,000, एस इज 20,000, एन इज 7 year. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So first we have to find out the old depreciation. Okay. C plus E minus S upon N. Tell me what will be depre of the old depre, guys. Be fast. Yes, guys. What is old depre? What is old depre? Perfect, guys. Perfect. Great, great. Somebody else find out old depre, new depre, closing balance. Badhiya, badhiya, badhiya. It is like this 30,000, guys. 30,000 per annum is the old depreciation. 30,000 per annum is a old depreciation. Okay, now guys, now we are okay on 1416 asset is revalued. On 1416 asset is revalued. So guys, tell me after how many years you are revaluing? After how many years you are revaluing? After how many years you are revaluing? Yes, guys. Date of purchase is 1413. We are revaluing 1416. So we are revaluing after 3 years. We are revaluing after 3 years. We are revaluing after 3 years. After 3 years, guys. After 3 years. So find out the closing balance after 3 years, guys. Find out the closing balance after 3 years. Find out the closing balance after 3 years. Tell me, what will be the closing balance after 3 years? What is formula? C plus E minus total debt of 3 years. C plus E minus total debt of 3 years. C plus E minus total debt of 3 years, guys. Tell me, what will be the closing balance? What will be the closing balance? Perfect, guys. What will be closing balance after 3 years? C plus E minus total debt of 3 years. C plus E minus total debt of 3 years. How it is 130. How it is 130. Do it once again, yaar. Do it once again. How it is 110. C plus E. C plus E minus 3 साल का डेप्री. C plus E बोल रहा हूं, चौथी बार बोल रहा हूं, फिर भी 110, 130. नहीं यार, नहीं. Have a concentration, yaar. It is not good. Yes, remaining students are correct. 161 is completely wrong answer. C plus E करना मत भूलो. कुछ लोगों ने E ऐड नहीं किया है. C plus E 6 टाइम बोल रहा हूं. C plus E minus total debt of 3 years. It should be 140. Remaining students are correct. It should be 140 like this, guys. इससे easily नहीं हो सकता है. Okay. C plus E minus 3 years debt. It is 140. I hope जिन्होंने 160 बोला, 161 बोला, 110 बोला, 150 बोला, I hope now it is clear. And now please don't ask me like previous question, sir ये 90 कहां से आया? ओके, तो मैं बोल देता हूं पहले से, बिकॉज कुछ स्टूडेंट्स नहीं समझते, नहीं सोचते बोलने से पहले. 30,000 into 3, ओके, दैट इज 90. ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए मुझे कि इस लेवल पे आके 90,000 पता ना चले. बट दे आर कंटिन्यूसली आस्किंग, सर हाउ इट इज, हाउ इट इज, हाउ इट इज. बेटा थोड़ा तो सोचा करो यार, थोड़ा अपने आप सोचो, मजा आएगा. 140 गाइस. आई होप जिनकी छोटी मोटी गलत था वो क्लियर गाइस. आई होप नाउ इट इज क्लियर. 161, 160, 110. आई होप नाउ इट इज क्लियर. जिनका थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग था, मुझे सी आई डोंट माइंड यू इफ यू हैव रॉन्ग आंसर. ओके, आई डोंट माइंड, बट it should be now rectified with reasons. Okay, we got it, we got it. Then it is a real study. Right, guys? Now clear, yes. Okay, and now new debris, guys, the last point. New depreciation. We have to find out new depreciation. New depreciation, guys. What is the formula? ये formula. Above closing balance, that is 140, plus or minus revaluation, minus scrap, divided by remaining N. You have to follow this formula, guys. Tell me the new debris, guys. Tell me the new debris. Tell me the new debris, guys. फॉर्मूला आपके सामने है, सम आपको पता है, कैलसी का यूज करना आपको आता है. फॉर्मूला आपके सामने है, सम मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है, कैलकुलेटर आपके पास है. आई होप इट इज इनफ टू हैव ए करेक्ट आंसर. डिफरेंस आंसर 20,000, 70,500, 25,000, 25,000, 20,000, 17,500, 45,000, 17,500, 25,000, 20,000. Above closing balance plus or minus revaluation. Don't forget to minus s. लिखा है फॉर्मूला में मेरे दोस्त, लिखा है फॉर्मूला में माइनस s डिवाइडेड बाय रिमेनिंग n. ओके, नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन. क्या लिखा है मैंने? आफ्टर 3 years asset is revalued at 40,000. लेकिन क्या लिखा है? अंडर वैल्यू हुआ, डिक्रीज करना है मेरे दोस्त, डिक्रीज. 40,000 अंडर, दैट इज डिक्रीज. यस फ्रेंड, समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं गाइस? 40,000 अंडर वैल्यू, डिक्रीज 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 करना है, डिक्रीज. हर बार इंक्रीज नहीं होता. ओके, और यहां मैंने एन को चेंज नहीं किया, एन रिमेन सेम, एन रिमेन सेम, एन रिमेन सेम. So what is remaining n? What is remaining n, guys? Now I hope now it should be clear. So 40,000 से डिक्रीज करना है फ्रेंड. So 1,40,000 minus 40,000 minus 20,000 divided by 4. Divided by 4. 1,40,000 minus 40,000 minus 20,000 divided by 4. Therefore, correct answer is like this: 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. I hope now it is clear, friend. हाँ, वो सही है. N is 4, करेक्ट. कई लोगों के पॉइंट में आंसर आ रहे हैं. 555 11428. I hope now it is clear. Clear, guys? कोई पॉइंट में नहीं आ रहा, गलत किया आपने कहीं बेटा. But now I hope it is clear. Clear, guys? Okay. So for first 3 years, see, for first 3 years, Depre will be 30,000. And from fourth year, it will be 20,000. It will be 20,000, guys. It will be 20,000. And friend, आज हमें डेप्री खत्म करने के बाद हमें एटलीस्ट इन्वेंटरी शुरू तो कर देना है. ओके, मुझे पता है टाइम हो चुका है, बट एटलीस्ट वी नीड टू स्टार्ट इट. ओके, so Depre is over and out. And now, guys, a small chapter called inventory. Now, friend, here we have to understand, in case of inventory, we have to understand 3-4 points only. Depre was a long chapter. So many things are there. Here, limited concept is there. Okay. What is a learning point in the chapter? What is a learning point in a chapter, guys? These are the learning point. FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average. FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average. Inventory, the weightage is 4 to 8 marks in exam, 4 to 8 marks. And FIFO, LIFO and weighted average are the maximum method what they are asking. After this FIFO, LIFO, this also they are asking adjusted selling price. Adjusted selling price also they are asking. Okay. Now, don't forget our routine criteria of inventory valuation by cost or NRV, whichever is lower. Yes, guys. CP or NRV, whichever is lower. Now, friend, what is inventory valuation, guys? Okay, how we are finding out our closing stock. Now, basically, there are two types of record system. Guys, which page I am not reading, you should not read, don't worry. But this is important, start from here. How we are maintaining our inventory record. How we are maintaining our inventory record. How we are maintaining our inventory record. Yes, inventory means closing stock. Now, friend, there are two types. First is periodic inventory system. Now, guys, only remember one small word, or you can write in your notes. Periodically inventory system means we are taking base of actual physical count. We are taking base of actual physical count. Actual physical counting. Actual physical counting. So we don't maintain any record. We don't maintain any record. We don't maintain any record. हम क्या करेंगे? हम फर्स्ट डे को जाके स्टॉक टेकिंग कर लेंगे, लास्ट डे को जाके स्टॉक टेकिंग कर लेंगे, मतलब फिजिकल काउंटिंग कर लेंगे, राइट? हमारे पास परचेज की इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, राइट? सो हियर द फॉर्मूला इज ओपनिंग स्टॉक प्लस परचेज minus closing stock equal to COGS. But which opening and purchase and closing? Physical. Books हमारे पास है ही नहीं. We are not maintain books. So opening plus purchase minus closing is a COGS. But which type of opening and closing and purchase? Physical. No proper inventory records are maintained. This is out of dated. Nobody use this. बिकॉज आज के जमाने में जहां सॉफ्टवेयर आ गए, टेली सॉफ्टवेयर आ गया, सेप ईआरपी आ गए, दिस इज नॉट लॉजिकल बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज मोस्ट कंसर्न अबाउट द इन्वेंटरी. हाँ, ऐसा हो सकता है कि इफ योर इन्वेंटरी इज वेरी स्मॉल वैल्यू, वेरी 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 चीप इन्वेंटरी यू हैव, कॉस्ट वाइज यू हैव ह्यूज वॉल्यूम्स, ओके, बट स्मॉल कॉस्ट, then you can say okay, it's a small cost, it's fine, we can use this. But today's world it is not used at all. So this is risky because you are not maintaining any inventory record. So what is a perfect system? The perfect system is perpetual inventory system. The perfect system is a perpetual inventory system. What is this? Sir, we are maintaining records, sir, in software, in Excel, in Tally. We are maintaining records. Sir, we are maintaining records for every purchase, for every sale. For every purchase, for every sale. And then we are finding our closing stock. So we know what amount of opening we have. We know what amount of purchase we have. We know what amount of sale we have. And therefore, we don't depend on blindly. We don't depend on blindly physical counting. We do recording of inventory, and this is known as perpetual inventory system. Perfect records are maintained. And now guys, a small difference is there. दोनों के बीच में थोड़ा सा difference है. ये पहला point is the key of everything. This is based on physical counting and this is based on book records. This is depend on book record. Okay. The fifth point is very important. Under this method, inventory control is possible or not possible. See guys, in periodic inventory, you are not maintaining any record. If you are not maintaining any record, how you can do control? on shortage or theft or something like this. But in perpetual, you are maintaining record. So you know, right? Okay, where is there any fraud? Is there any theft? Is there any malfunction? Because you have records. Because you have records. So in first case, control is not possible. In second case, it is possible. Physical counting is very simple. You know, 5 बंदे गए गोडाउन में जाके स्टॉक गिन लिया, कोई खर्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But perpetual, it is costly because you have to maintain record. You need an expert or you need a system. You need a software. So it's a costly. And now, guys, we are starting with the historical cost method. And in historical cost method, the first method is FIFO, first in, first out. First in, first out. First in, first out. What does it mean? Sir, the sequence in which we have purchased the inventory, we will sell in a same sequence. Okay. The order, the dates, the sequence in which inventory is received or purchased, in a same logic, in a same sequence, we will issue the inventory. Most logical method is a FIFO method. Most logical method is a FIFO method. Okay. The sequence in which stock is received, the same sequence it will issue. So say for example, you did a first purchase on 1st of July. 1st of July, 10 July, 15 July. Okay, so 1st July you purchase, 10 July you purchase, 15 July you purchase. Now 20 July you have to sell the stock. So your purchase is in sequence of 1, 10, 15. So what you will do? First you will issue 1st July stock. Then you will issue 10 July stock. Then you will issue 15 July stock. The sequence in which you have purchased, in the same sequence you will sell, you will issue. So guys, I can say earlier purchased goods are issued first. Earlier purchased goods are issued first. So I can say this, sir, if we are issuing, first issue will be of 1st July. Second issue will be of 10th July. And if there is no issue after this, then my closing stock will contain latest units, because पुराने वाले मैंने बेच दिए, फर्स्ट वाला बेच दिया, 10th वाला बेच दिया, तो जो स्टॉक में बचा वो 15th वाला बचा. So I can say, sir, in a FIFO method, old goods has been issued and the latest one is in closing stock. Latest one is in closing stock. Can I say this, guys? Yes, guys, can I say this? Sir, in a FIFO method, old stock has been issued and closing stock is my latest goods. So in FIFO method, we can say like this. Yes, guys. It means inventory will be issued in the same order in which it is purchased. So generally, latest purchase will be in a closing stock. Latest purchase will be in a closing stock. And now, guys, from the next session, we will start questions of FIFO and LIFO. Questions of FIFO and LIFO. Okay, guys. So we will start questions, illustrations of FIFO, LIFO, average method. from the next session, guys. Okay. Till that, this is CA Mir Pujara signing off, guys. I know some students have mailed me, but I have not answered because till 31st July, we were busy in the income tax return season, right? So I will read your mail and I will respond to you. Don't worry, guys. Okay. If anything, you can mail me on this. Okay, guys. So goodbye. Have a nice time.